And hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Francisco, and today we're diving into a super common and incredibly frustrating iPhone problem, when your phone just freezes. Is your screen unresponsive, apps crashing, or maybe it's just feeling sluggish and you can't figure out why? You're probably frantically searching for solutions thinking, how do I even begin to hard reset my iPhone? Or, what's the trick to hard resetting iPhone these days when nothing really seems to work? Well, good news for you. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to hard reset your iPhone no matter what model you have, from the latest iPhone 16 all the way down to the iPhone 6s. This is a powerful and simple trick that can fix tons of common glitches without losing any of your precious data. So if you're ready to get your iPhone running smoothly again, let's go ahead and dive right in. So part 1. What is a hard reset versus a factory reset? Before we jump into the how-to, let's clear up some crucial confusion. There's often a big mix-up between a hard reset and a factory reset. They sound pretty similar, but they're completely different processes with very different outcomes. A hard reset is essentially a forced restart. Think of it like pulling the plug on a computer and plugging it back in when it's frozen. It's specifically designed to fix minor software glitches, unresponsive apps, a frozen screen, or those annoying system bugs. The most important thing to remember here is that it will not erase any data from your phone. All of your photos, apps, messages, they're all going to be totally safe. This is the main focus of our video today: hard resetting iPhone without any kind of data loss. A factory reset, on the other hand, is a complete data wipe. This deletes everything on your iPhone, returning it to the exact state it was in when you first bought it. You typically do this if you're selling your phone, if you have a really severe or even persistent software issue that a hard reset can't really fix, or if you simply want to erase all of your personal information. And so now that we understand the critical differences, let's go ahead and learn how to hard reset your iPhone for your specific model. Moving on to part 2, how to hard reset your iPhone, model by model guide. The way you perform a hard reset depends on which iPhone model you have in your hand. So grab your phone and let's find your method. So the first method is going to include iPhone 8 and later, which is going to include iPhone SE 2nd and 3rd gen, iPhone 10, all the way up to iPhone 16 series. So this is the most common method for all modern iPhones. All you have to do is quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button. Immediately after that, press and hold the side button. That's the large button on the right side. Keep holding it. Don't let go even if you see the slide to power off slider pop up. You just have to keep holding it until your screen goes completely black, and then you see the Apple logo appear. Once the Apple logo shows up, you can finally release the button and it should restart just fine. Your iPhone will then restart as usual. This is the exact process you'd use for how to hard reset iPhone 11 or any iPhone from the 8 series all the way up to the very latest models running on iOS 18 and beyond. The next method is going to be for iPhone 7 and iPhone 7 Plus. If you're rocking an iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, the button combo is a little bit different. Press and hold both the volume down button and the side button simultaneously. Keep holding both buttons firmly. Don't let go when you see the slide to power off slider, just as before. Continue holding them until the screen goes black and then you see the Apple logo. Once that Apple logo appears, you can release both buttons and it should restart just fine. The next method is going to be for iPhone 6s and even earlier, which will include iPhone 6s Plus, iPhone 6, 6 Plus, iPhone SE 1st gen, iPhone 5s, and even older, if you happen to have one of those. Now for these classic iPhones with a physical home button, this is going to be the process. Press and hold both the home button, that's the circular button directly below the screen, and the side button, or the top button, on very old models simultaneously. Keep holding both buttons, and continue holding them until the screen goes black and then you see the Apple logo. Once the Apple logo appears, you can release both buttons and it should restart just fine. Now let's go into part 3. What happens after the hard reset? So you successfully performed a hard reset. What's next? Your iPhone will simply restart itself and eventually bring you back to your familiar lock screen. The best part of all of this is that all of your data, all of your apps, and all of your settings, essentially everything is still there. Nothing was deleted whatsoever. The entire goal here was to give your iPhone a powerful kickstart to clear out any temporary glitches, and hopefully your apps are now running smoothly and your screen is perfectly responsive again. So let's move on to part 4. What if a hard reset doesn't work? Now, if your iPhone is completely unresponsive even after a hard reset, maybe it's stuck on the dreaded iPhone unavailable screen, you've totally forgotten your passcode, or even iTunes can't recognize your device. In these more serious, complex situations, a standard hard reset might not be enough. This is where a professional iOS system repair tool like Dr.Fone comes in. Dr.Fone is designed to resolve a whole host of tough iPhone issues, including the iPhone unavailable screen, forgotten passcodes, or iTunes recognition problems. It's a great option when you need to hard reset iPhone in a trickier scenario, or if you're trying to fix a deeper underlying software problem. Now, here's exactly how you typically use Dr.Fone for these situations. You'll first download and launch the Dr.Fone application right on your PC or Mac. You can find the direct link in the description below. Once it's open, you'll choose the system repair or screen unlock feature. Dr.Fone will then guide you through selecting the right mode for your issue, which might involve putting your iPhone into a specific recovery or DFU mode. It will then intelligently download the necessary firmware for your device. After the firmware is downloaded, you'll simply click the Reset Device or Fix Now option. Then you just wait patiently for a little while till the process is completed. Once it's all done, your iPhone will restart, and you should be able to set up your device again. This is an incredibly powerful solution for those more stubborn problems when you can't really even get past that iPhone unavailable screen. And there you have it. You just learned exactly how to hard reset your iPhone, whether it's an iPhone 16, an iPhone 11, or an older classic. Knowing how to hard reset an iPhone is a really valuable skill for any iPhone owner, helping you quickly fix those annoying freezes and glitches without ever losing your precious data. If this video helped you out, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and do make sure to subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials, and even leave a comment below if you have any questions or other tips that worked for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.